Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss wealth. Okay, chapter 2. Already I made 21 video on this chapter, and today I am going to make video 22. Okay, economics wealth. What do you mean by wealth? I am going to discuss it. We know very well wealth is what? Suppose you have kept money in your custody, in your locker, it will not increase. Why? Because you will not get rate of interest, because you have kept money in your almirah. If you will deposit this money in the bank or you will in share, then it will increase, you will get rate of interest. Okay, because that is investment. And wealth means what? You have money. Okay, in a simple way I have given uh, the concept by my own ways. Okay, try to understand with the help of definition of wealth. What is wealth? Try to understand it. What do you mean by wealth? Okay, then you can understand it very easily. In your examination, you will write in this way the definition of wealth. If it is coming in the exam, then you will write in this way. Okay, which I have written here. Okay, without any hesitation, without any problem, you will write it. Okay, wealth means what? We know where wealth refers to the stock of all those assets. Okay, all those assets, either fixed assets or fictitious assets, any assets, current assets, all assets, of all those assets which are a source of income. Clear? This is the definition of wealth. According to Hanson, wealth is a stock of goods at a certain time which conform to the requirements of possessing utility, limited in supply, transferability of their ownership from one person to another person. Okay, if you have wealth, then you can transfer the ownership. Okay, it means what? Try to understand with the help of some example. I am giving you the example, then you can understand in a very easy way. Okay, try to understand with the help of example. Okay, try to understand. Suppose you have money. Okay, I think you can see it very easily. Okay, according to regarded as a wealth must possess the following characteristics. First, utility. First is what? Utility. Utility is what? Utility, it must possess utility, it must give some satisfaction. Okay, you have wealth, then you will be satisfied. Second, scarcity. Scarcity means what? It must be limited in quantity, it must be scarce in its supply. Third, transferability. Transferability means what? It should be transferable. The ownership can be transferred from one person to another person. If you have wealth, then you can transfer from one person to another person. And what is exchange value? What is wealth? This is exchange value. Exchange value means what? It must possess exchange value. It means what? All those goods which have been the characteristics of utility, scarcity and transferability, possess exchange value. If you have not understood, then I am giving you with the help of another example. Try to understand. Individual or personal wealth refers to a stock of all those assets which are owned by a person. Okay. It means what? Some wealth is held as a money in hand or in a bank, like paper money. Like which type of money? Paper money, coins. Try to understand with the help of easy example. Okay. Some wealth is held as a money in hand. Money in hand. Clear? Money in hand. Like paper money. Which type of money? Paper money. Coins. Okay. Check deposited with bank. This is wealth. Clear? Wealth is partly kept in the form of financial assets other than money, okay, such as bonds earning a fixed rate of interest, deposit with the companies, shares of the companies, real estates, houses, farms and families, business, etc. Clear? So in this video you have understood what is wealth. Next video I will discuss next topic. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel, and don't forget to like and comment it.